Right now we're removing the bullnose paver from the edge of the pool deck so that we can replace the sealant that was used previously with a better, higher quality sealant that will lock in the pavers for a longer amount of time. Then we remove all small particles of dust from the bottom of the pavers so that we can make sure that it has a tight seal when we put in a new sealant. Now we're going to get rid of the excess from the last sealant used on the edge of the pavers and the pool deck. This will make the bottom of the pavers cleaner and easier to work with. Then we put in a special type of sand in between the pavers to fill in the cracks and lock the pavers in a way that will make them not slide around and sit in one tight position. Now we're going to be color matching the grout to the previous color of grout that was used, and then applying a new grout. This will make it as though your pool never needed to be repaired in the first place, and it will give her a smoother, cleaner look. As you can see, the coping around the edge of the pool deck is sleek and clean. With new grout applied and a new sealant applied as well, it will make sure to lock in the pavers for many years to come, so that they won't be unsafe anymore. Now you can walk on them as you please, and your guests will never even know that there was a problem to begin with. If you want an amazing job done for you, just like this one, call 239-316-4630. Platinum Pavers will give you a free estimate.